I just got a text from my boss saying my transmission got delivered at work, so I'm gonna load up a few tools, go pick it up, and head over to a coworker's house where we're gonna try to replace it. Let's see, 7:30 before 12 o'clock. So hopefully we can get that done today. So the biggest reason I'm changing out my transmission because I lost third and fourth, and it was cheaper to actually buy a new one than it was to get it rebuilt because of my employee discount. And because I don't have third and fourth, I literally have to keep it stuck in third gear anytime I drive. Can't go over 50, so it's just in-town driving. But I'll show you guys what I mean by I lost third and fourth. I literally cannot get into third. It tries going to third and then it just neutral. So yeah. Trying to get into third, so yeah, it's shot. I have to actually throw it into second gear in order for me to even drive it. Then we got the transmission loaded up. Also got headers for the truck, so I'm gonna get a new starter to get those on. But first, transmission. But yeah, as you guys can see, all this clutch material on here, yeah, it was bad. Alright, so we got the old transmission out, and it was a pain. Okay, we just gotta finish bolting up the cross member bolts, get the cooler flushed, and get the dry shaft put back in, and then just go through and make sure everything's all good, and we should be good to go. The transmission's in, I'm driving the truck, I have all the gears, and so far so good. I'm gonna go grab some food because I'm super hungry. It's a little bit past 12, it's about 3 o'clock, it's about the time whenever we got the transmission in. It's 4 o'clock now, so I've been test driving it, and so far it's been good. Alright, so the transmission is in, it's going great. I have all my gears. That last clip you just saw, it just took it a second for it to actually go into third. Since it's been about 100 miles, so I replaced the fluid, and it's shifting so much better now. Another thing I did was replace the hood with my girlfriend and my friend Allie. I got a quick little clip of that, so I'm going to post that up right now.
Yeah, I have everything I need.
since we got that hood from the junkyard, I gotta wash it real quick and use some cutting compound to take the junkyard paint off. So we're gonna do that real quick. First things first, we're just gonna go and wash it off, get all the dirt off it. And all this bird poop off it too. Here's a quick tour of the paint. Nothing too bad. There are some blemishes, like one here. There's a little rust spot forming there, some scratches, some paint chips there, but nothing that's gonna bother me for now, because we're gonna strip the whole truck down to bare metal and completely repaint it the stock color. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up and get the buff. All right, so we're gonna be using Turtle Wax's Clean Cut Rubbing Compound, specifically because there is paint on the picture and I need to take paint off the hood, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so here it is buffed. Not the greatest job, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how to buff shit, but I'm gonna hit it with a wax and then hopefully that'll clear up a lot of the swirls. It worked decent. You can still see a lot of the residue. I think I need a deeper cut. But that is just gonna be good enough for now, since the whole truck's gonna be repainted anyway. I mean, hell, you can see the paint along the side. It's not the greatest. I'm gonna hit with a quick detail. I'm gonna use McGuire's Quick Wax, just because I really like it. All right, so she's waxed. You can actually see the blemishes a whole lot better now that it's not as buffed and waxed. There's a lot of work on the hood that needs to be done. You can't see the lettering as much anymore, which is great. So hopefully I can get to painting this sometime soon. And now that those two things done, I'm gonna start actually getting into the body work of the truck, getting rid of all the rust, repainting it, painting it the original color and all that kind of stuff. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. This wasn't much of a tutorial of replacing the transmission. It's just a quick video showing that it was replaced. That way we know that that's there and it's done and that part of the list can be crossed off. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Next one, we're gonna be replacing the headlights and repainting the grill, because I repainted once. It's on TikTok. Links in the description. But I did it really rushed and not the best, so it's gonna be redone in the next video. So I'll catch you guys then.